little explorers. Welcome to our space yoga adventure. Before we blast off, ask your mommy or daddy to tap the subscribe button so we can go on more fun adventures together. All right, astronauts, put on your spacesuits and let's fly into space. Level 1. Easy. Rocket pose. Stand tall like a rocket, arms up high. Star pose. Stretch your arms and legs wide. Shine bright like a twinkling star. Hold it. Sparkle, sparkle. Crouch down low like a tiny moon rock. Stay still. Don't float away. Floating astronaut. Balance on one leg, arms out. You're floating in space, so slow and steady. Alien. Hello. Stand tall and wave your arms funny. Say hello to friendly aliens. Hello. Level 2. Medium. Space adventurers. Stand on one leg, lean forward, other leg back. Zoom like a shooting star. Satellite arms. Stand tall, move your arms in circles, like a satellite sending signals. Planet spin. Now, stand tall, slowly twist side to side. You're a spinning planet. Space bridge. Lie down. Push your tummy up. Make a strong space bridge. Astronaut stretch. Reach up high, then bend down low. Stretch your body like an astronaut in zero gravity. Level 3. Hard. Space heroes, galaxy tree. Can you do this? Stand on one leg. Put your foot on the other leg. Hands together. You're a glowing galaxy tree. Step one leg back. Bend the front knee. Arms forward. You're a fast comet. Space warrior. Stand strong. Bend one knee. Arms out wide. You're a brave space warrior. Zero gravity balance. Lean forward. Lift one leg back. Stay super still. Don't drift away. Supernova power. Jump your legs wide, arms up, big energy, boom like a supernova. Lie down, relax your body, and feel calm and happy. You did amazing, Space Explorer! You completed the Space Yoga Adventure. Now take a deep breath in and out. If you had fun, ask your mommy or daddy to subscribe so we can go on even more adventures together. See you next time. Bye-bye, astronauts.